seeing Earth from outer space is a transformative experience, one that profoundly changes how astronauts perceive our planet and humanity's place within it. This phenomenon, known as the overview effect, is a cognitive shift that many astronauts have described as life-altering. Among them, former NASA astronaut Ronald Garan has been particularly vocal about his experiences during his 178 days in space. His reflections not only provide insights into the beauty of our planet, but also highlight humanity's shared challenges and responsibilities. Imagine looking down on Earth from the vast expanse of space, seeing its vibrant colors, swirling clouds, and expansive landscapes. For astronauts like Garan, this breathtaking perspective is both awe-inspiring and sobering. Garan recalls moments of gazing at Earth's features, from the glimmering flashes of lightning storms to the ethereal dance of auroras. These phenomena, visible from orbit, underscore the fragility and interconnectedness of our planet. One of Garan's most striking memories was seeing a peculiar line of lights stretching across Asia. Initially, he dismissed it as a reflection of moonlight on a river, but he soon realized it was the illuminated border between India and Pakistan. This realization deeply unsettled him. "I've always said that you can't see borders from space," Garan reflected during a 2016 TED Talk, "but apparently I was wrong." The visibility of this man-made division from space led Garan to confront the artificial barriers humanity creates. Borders which seem so significant on the ground appear incongruous when viewed against the backdrop of Earth's natural beauty. For Garan, the site symbolized humanity's tendency to live a lie, prioritizing divisions over unity. The term overview effect was coined by space philosopher Frank White in 1987 to describe the profound shift in perspective astronauts experience when viewing Earth from space. It encompasses feelings of awe, a sense of global interconnectedness, and a deep awareness of the planet's fragility. NASA has described it as the impact of looking down at the Earth from above, and how it can create a shift in the way astronauts view and think about our planet and life itself. Garan's experience exemplifies this effect. Speaking to Big Think, he described how seeing Earth from above made him realize humanity's interconnectedness. "We're living a lie," he stated. "We keep trying to deal with issues such as global warming, deforestation, and biodiversity loss as standalone issues, when in reality they're just symptoms of the underlying root problem. We don't see ourselves as planetary." The view from space starkly reveals the thinness of Earth's atmosphere, a delicate veil that sustains all life. This awareness often leads astronauts to question humanity's role in preserving this fragile ecosystem. Garan's reflections are a call to action, urging people to adopt a planetary perspective and address global challenges collectively. The illuminated border between India and Pakistan, visible from space, is a striking example of how human activities leave a mark on the planet. This 3,300-kilometer-long boundary, heavily guarded and lit to prevent unauthorized crossings, stands out even against the vastness of Earth's surface. While it serves its purpose on the ground, from space it is a stark reminder of divisions between people who share the same planet. For Garan, this site was a wake-up call. It challenged his long-held belief that political and territorial boundaries are invisible from space. The border's visibility underscored the lengths humanity goes to in enforcing separations, even as global challenges like climate change and resource depletion demand collective solutions. During his time in space, Garan witnessed numerous natural phenomena that reinforced his sense of wonder and responsibility. Lightning storms appeared as paparazzi-like flashes across continents, their energy illuminating the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. Auroras, shimmering curtains of green and purple light caused by solar winds interacting with Earth's magnetic field, seemed close enough to touch. These sights were both beautiful and humbling, serving as reminders of the planet's dynamic and delicate nature. Perhaps most impactful was Garan's observation of Earth's atmosphere. From space, the atmosphere appears as a thin, fragile shell encasing the planet. Its tenuousness drove home the urgency of addressing environmental challenges. "It's unbelievable how thin our atmosphere is," Garan remarked. This realization deepened his commitment to advocating for sustainable practices and global cooperation. Garan's reflections on his time in space are more than just personal anecdotes. They are a rallying cry for humanity to rethink its priorities. He believes that many of the world's problems, climate change, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity, stem from a failure to view ourselves as part of a larger planetary system. By focusing on individual issues in isolation, humanity risks overlooking the systemic nature of these challenges. The overview effect has inspired initiatives aimed at fostering global unity and environmental stewardship. For example, organizations like the Earthrise Alliance and the Overview Institute work to share this perspective with people on the ground, using imagery and storytelling to convey the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Garan's experiences echo those of other astronauts who have been profoundly moved by their view of Earth. Apollo 8 astronaut William Anders famously captured the iconic Earthrise photograph, which showed Earth rising over the lunar horizon. This image has been credited with sparking the modern environmental movement by highlighting the planet's beauty and vulnerability. Similarly, astronauts aboard the International Space Station, ISS, often share images and stories that emphasize the importance of protecting our shared home. These accounts remind us that Earth is a singular, irreplaceable entity in the vastness of space. As Garan puts it, we are all riding through the universe together on the spaceship that we call Earth. The illuminated border between India and Pakistan is a powerful metaphor for the divisions that separate humanity. Yet it also serves as a reminder of our capacity to overcome these divides. Garan believes that adopting a planetary perspective can help us transcend political, cultural, and ideological barriers. By recognizing our shared destiny, we can work together to address global challenges and create a more equitable and sustainable future. Ronald Garan's reflections on his time in space offer a profound reminder of Earth's beauty, fragility, and interconnectedness. The overview effect has the power to transform how we view our planet and our role within it. By embracing this perspective, humanity can move beyond divisions and work collectively to preserve the only home we have. As Garan and other astronauts have shown, the view from space is more than just a spectacle, it is a call to action. It challenges us to see beyond borders, address systemic issues, and recognize the shared responsibility we have as stewards of Earth. In doing so, we can ensure a sustainable and prosperous future for generations to come.